Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Tesla app not working. To fix this issue, first you have to go to your home screen. After that, click on settings. Now, go to apps, click on manage apps, and in the search bar, type Tesla. After that, you will see app info section, and in the app info section, you will see clear data option. Click on it. After that, click on clear cache option. Click on OK. Go to your home screen and now click on your Tesla app, and hopefully after that your app will be working fine. If you are still facing this issue, then you have to go to previous tab. After that again you have to click on clear data option. This time you have to click on clear all data and now click on OK. Now open your Tesla app and hopefully after that your app will be working properly. If this method is not working for you, then you have to just restart your device, because simply restarting your device can fix your issues. For that you have to hold your mobile phone power button for few seconds and this option will be appeared. You just reboot your device and hopefully your app will be fixed after that. Hopefully this method will help you to fix your issues. Thanks for watching.